Alright, so they look nice and bright right in front of the truck, but as you notice, you don't get to see very far. I don't think they're adjusted right. I'm thinking I should try to readjust them, because I just put them in. Let's go check that out and see what happens. Hey everyone, so welcome back. Well, I put those headlights in my truck. They're nice and bright. Something just didn't seem right. Thought maybe they weren't adjusted high enough. So I decided I'm going to check it. So I measured from the ground to the center of my headlight. It was 38.5 inches. So I'm going to measure 38.5 inches up this wall at 3 feet. From the head of my headlight to the wall, it should be 36 inches. So let's measure that. We're going to go 38.5. Which is about right there. And as you can see, right where the line is 37. So I'm going to put the tape right here at 38.5. Centering with my headlight. And I'm going to put that right about there. So it's right around the 38.5. And I'm going to put another one. Now I'm going to go with the center of my headlight. Well, right there is where my finger is. And that's about where I want my headlight to be. Let me go tape off the other side, and then we'll move the truck back 25 feet. Alright, so now you can see how low my headlights are sitting. I am 25 feet from the wall. You can see the lines. My headlights should be coming right up to there. You notice how low they are. So my last video of the Auxito LEDs, I did not do them any justice with that video. I'm making up for it right here. Let's get those headlights readjusted. Alright, there it is. They're not perfect, but they're close. You notice the one on the right is right up to the line. It's a little bit left. The left one is down a couple inches lower, a little bit to the right, and I'm okay with that. These headlight assemblies are a real pain. I actually have to take them all the way out to adjust them, put them back in, take them out, readjust them. I don't know if I would have went with these assemblies again, but there it is. I'm going to go drive it real quick and see what it's like. So as you notice, the first part of the video where it showed me driving the first time with them not adjusted properly, the headlights were down low, so it looked a lot brighter right directly in front of the truck. But it wasn't lighting the road up farther up in the road. So now that I readjusted them to the proper height, as you can see, my lights are shooting much further. Not as bright directly in front of the truck, but you get a much better view. So I think this makes it look a lot better. But thanks for watching, and have a good night.